People, I am here in the shop again at A1 Diesel Auto Repair, working on this BMW, doing water pump, serpentine belt, and I had was to go work on my friend car to put a carburetor on it, which is I think it's a 1974 model Chevy Nova. So I was supposed to meet up with him, but I got stuck with this car. So I must show y'all what I'm doing. So this is how far I'm at right now. That's a water pump. I'm gonna shine a light on the water pump down here. So that's the water pump down there. Brand new water pump I just put on. Brand new thermostat and the serpentine belt. And this is the tensioner. Hold on by 10 by 3 10 bolt, and these are torque 10 torque bolts that hold the tensioner pulley on, because the pulley wheel gummed up, so it look like it's binding up. So we're changing that. And in order to change this water pump, you have to take all this out the way. This is the airbox. So first you got to take the airbox out the way, which connected here and here, here and here. So I have to, there's two 10 bolt that hold this thermostat housing on. Underneath here you can't see them. They're not 10, they're T. I think they're like, I don't remember what size T, but there's some T. I think they're probably a 8 that you have to remove this. And you got to take this hose off, which goes to the water pump. Then you have this one up top here, wrapped around, that goes to the top of the engine. Got to take that one off. And in order to move the water pump, you have to move this off the water pump. You release that off the water pump, and then you release that one underneath the bottom right there. So. And then you have two 13 torque, 3 13 torque bolt. You hold on the water pump. So you have one up top in front there, so. And then you have two on the bottom, where you have to get them from the bottom. Can't get them from the top. And this piece, a circle, will go to the intake. Have a 10 bolt under there, so you can't really see it. You don't know, say you have to feel for it, because you have to come underneath them hose close to the water pump to get that. So you have to take off that piece when you do the water pump to get it out of the way, to get to all that stuff. And then you have them crossover pipe, vent pipe, run on top of the engine from one side to the next. So one of them clamp on right here on top of this. So it's a 2-part piece, where that bottom vent pipe go to this side of the engine, and then this one come from the driver side, come over to the passenger side, just come and snap on top of this. So when you remove these, you squeeze the side of them. I don't know if you can see grit on the side. You squeeze here, so push down and then pull up to release them. And then you have these connectors. This is for the thermostat, and that one I call for the air cleaner. Connect to the air cleaner sensor. So that's how you remove all these stuff. And this another pipe. Oh, this go on like this, and you just squeeze the two clip at the bottom, so, and release that. And that sensor on the top, so that's where the next connector go to. Sorry about the ear box, you know, go to the ear box. You go to the ear intake. Anyway you take it. But you know, connect it to the box. You connect to the vent pipe. And the vent pipe I just go sit down in this like this. So what happens is that they mess up the vent pipe. And a tie strap they use and hold it in there, because this thing is supposed to have two ears where you just go clip down in there. You know, they pan it no more, then break it off. So then do it, then use a big wire tie strap. I'm gonna put a tie strap, then I have to cut it off. Yeah, see, so they use a tie strap here. I'm gonna cut off the tie strap in order to release it. Which it work effectively because the car that run good in a something extra here. So I have to go do the same thing, else not we have to change a whole piece of snark here. And water pump, I'll show you the water pump when I take off it. So see the thermostat here, it come in a one housing. And this is the water pump. So this is how the water pump look like. So I can show you the water pump now, so you have a better understanding of the both them at the bottom. And you have one wire connector. We go to it. This is a 4-prong connector. So this is the water pump for this BMW. So you have this is the top bolt up at top, so you look on. With my hand, the finger the pan. And then you have the two on the bottom, so I tell you, so you have to get it from underneath the car hole. Lightness so good, you know, so lighting not so good. Try to show you as best as you can. And see, those two, you have to get that from underneath the car. This one, you have to get it from up top. And you just mount on the engine like that, and then it goes and connect to it. And it's an electronic water pump. So this is not a belt driven pump, it's electronic. So this have a coil inside here, so when you plug on it and you start the car, it sends a signal to the electronic impeller, because it's like a turbine system. So it just pumps the water through the engine. So that's how this one works. Alright, and I'll tell you what series BMW this. Not sure what year it be. But yeah, so this are the 328i BMW. I'm not sure what year it be. But I kinda like work on one, even though I don't like work on BMW, because no German car as a matter of fact, because the parts them too hard to get to. I don't really like work on them. But I die shop with Mr. Frank, and him always get a lot of them. And him ask me to help him out with it. So I hit me the pan today and I deal with it. So yes, my people, I want to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And so my channel can grow and start earn some revenue, so I can get a good equipment we can get for editing a video them better and give us some better context. But this is something where anybody can do from their home if they're determined enough. So big up on yourself. I'm going to check out right now.